Potato cutlets are a delicious snack that are easy to make at home. Here's a simple recipe for making potato cutlets. Ingredients: 3 large potatoes, boiled and mashed. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. Oil for frying. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, add mashed potatoes, breadcrumbs, onion, coriander leaves, cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well. Take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a round cutlet. Repeat the process for the remaining mixture. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, gently place the cutlets in the pan and fry them until they turn golden brown on both sides. Once done, remove the cutlets from the pan and place them on tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. Serve the potato cutlets hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade potato cutlets. Thanks for watching.